This one is one of the new mint green PRXs. This is the 40mm. Now 40mm was the size that this watch is probably the most popular in. It may have been the one it originally launched with. I can't remember if the smaller version was released alongside it. There we go. Now the handset is very flat. I will say that, I wasn't quite expecting that. Otherwise, it feels quite similar to the 35mm. It's got this vertically engraved wood effect finish going on, which I'm not sure fully we'll be able to come across on camera. Let's get really zoomed in. Yeah, it doesn't quite come across accurately on camera. It is quite minor. There you go, you can see it a little bit there. Now, is this a colour I would personally buy? Probably not. I'd probably go with one of the other ones, but it was kind of the only one they offered up for me to take a look at, so need this as a good point of reference for me as a watch reviewer. Bracelet feels decent. The clasp is quite similar to the one on the more expensive Christopher Ward, and that is also interesting. Now, I looked at this watch online and figured that because it had what looked like a female end link where it goes inwards, that it would be a little bit more conforming than some of the other watches with integrated bracelets where it comes outward like a male link. But that isn't really the case because the next one along is pretty much fixed in position, meaning that the lug to lug is consequently effectively longer. Here's the 40mm in quartz in mint green. 39.9 across, effective lug to lug, about 51.5, so fairly long actually, and thickness of 10.7. It's funny, you know, this 40mm watch, in person it looks and wears bigger. It feels like I'm holding like a 41.5, 42mm watch here really. I didn't expect it to fit, so I'm just here out of curiosity more than anything else. It's definitely too big for my wrist.